students, and welcome to my practical. Our today's practical is a very interesting DIY practical which children would love playing it with. They go to different shops, buy them, available in different sizes but expensive. Why not prepare it at home using very simple and easily available materials and scrap, which in the end turns out to be a yo-yo. Let me show you the materials required in this practical. The materials required are bottle caps. I need one pair of bottle cap, that is 2 caps of the same size. Make sure that the 2 caps have to be always of the same size no matter what color they are. A screw, round screw, screwdriver, pair of scissors, thin layer of double-sided tape, any color of your wish cotton yarn, a glue gun, a plastic wrapper, and some beautiful cuttings from Google that you can print out or using the help of magazine. I am using the pizza shape over here because it's going to give a very nice design to my yo-yo. This one was a bit bigger for bigger caps, but if you want you can cut it down depending upon its shape and do. Otherwise you can directly download it from Google at a small size. Let me show you how do we start doing this practical. First you need to do is take the screw and then take the midpoint, that is the front area of your cap, and push it through it. If you are not able to push it with your bare hands, then you can use the help of a scissor, the back of a scissor or a hammer to just poke it in the middle. I'll be taking my scissor and then just pushing it over it. Doing this little bit and then carefully rotating your screw using the help of your screwdriver. Carefully, otherwise it can come onto your body. As you can see, I have done this here. Now, I don't want to do it completely. We have got this area over here. Now that area was just to make a hole. And now I'm going to remove my screwdriver, my screws back. After taking out back, what I need to do is, similar method will be used for this cap also. Take the midpoint here again. Hammer it. Take your screwdriver. Rotate very generously so that it goes inside perfectly. Once you have got a hold of it, it can easily go. And now take it off back. Both your holes are ready. Similarly, prepare for your other caps also. Now, take the screw and the 2 backs. Join the 2 backs, pushing the screw from the inside of one. That is, from the inside you will rotate. Not completely, maybe 75% of the screw, and then you're going to take your yarn. Take the yarn as much as length you require it to be, and then one of the string in the middle of the screw, the ring, put it inside and tie a knot. After you have tied a knot in there securely, again one more knot. Or if you don't wish to put a knot, here is the place where I'm going to take my glue gun and then secure the thread perfectly into that place. Now it has completely secured into the place. Let me take the length of my yarn. I believe that the length of the yarn for my case is enough to be 12 inches long. So after 12, little bit more than 12 inch, and then I'm going to cut the axis. The work of the yarn is over. Now what we have to do with the next? Take your second part and then also rotate it into it. In the beginning you will rotate it with your fingers just to come it to the middle like that. don't forget there has to be a space of ½ inch. You can see there is a space of ½ inch, and make sure that the screw is not coming out a lot to the size of the cap. Tighten it, and that's it. This is prepared. Now what you need to do is in here put your picture. What I'm taking is, you can either take that drawing, or I'm taking the drawing of my cover of a pizza here, putting it into it right in the middle, using my marker or a pen, and then drawing a line. After I have drew a line, we will cut the circles. Let me show you how does it look like after cutting. As you can see here, after cutting out the shape over here, as you can see, now what the thing is, we need to stick it to the plastic wrapper. As I told you here, it is a little bit hard. For that, what you need to do is take the double-sided tape and put it on top of the pizza shape that you are looking for. One, and then I'll be taking a little bit more from the same extra and then adding it to the more side of it. By doing that, I will remove the upper part of the sticker. Carefully. You can see here we removed it. Similarly here removed. Now this removed part needs to be stuck on your plastic wrapper area. Like this. Similarly, I will show you how to do for the thick one also. As you can see here, after sticking it to this part, now we need to cut it around. This paper actually gives a protection to my paper there, so that I can easily stick it onto my yo-yo caps. First rough cutting, and then you can do with your generous small cutting. You can also use the help of white glue, but I don't want it to be more messy. That is why you can do that. But using white glue will make, if you do it very neatly, then it will be very great, because you are going to have this faded area which became due to adding the double-sided tape on top can be eliminated. As you can see here, our hard shapes are now ready. Now these hard shapes need to be stuck perfectly on top of our bottle. For that, what you need to do is take our glue gun and put it over it. Thin layer, as you can see, thin layer, and then quickly before it dries out. And push. Similarly, do it for your second part. As you can see, we stuck both the sides over here and on this side, so my yo-yo looks perfect. If you want, you can add some color or a ribbon coating over here so that you can hide that white area, because I have used the white cap. If you're using a colored one, no need to hide it, because already the color is showing over there. Now, the string we had already rotated in it, and then I made a knot in which my finger can easily pass through it and then come out also. Now, when I am playing with it, one thing that you people would notice over here, which I didn't mention in the DIY practice video, is this. When I am throwing it at the bottom level, the ability to come and back is less. That is due to, as you remember, our one screw end is pointing on one end of the cap, while the end of the screw is on the second cap. This is having more weight as compared to here. We need to make it equal. To do that, I would prefer add a small piece of clay on this side so that it becomes equal in terms of weight, and then you can easily have it bouncing back to your this one. But still, for kids, it's a very good game. You can also continue with this one. I would enjoy to play with this every day and even walking on the streets with this one. So thanks for watching my video.